Do you understand? Yes or no? Let me make something abundantly clear to you, sir. The Texas Constitution does not allow me but in extremely limited circumstances to have a hearing to hold someone at no bond. This is one of those occasions. You violate. Mr. Lopez, you're charged with violation of a protective order. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
The complainant and the defendant are in a previous dating relationship. They stated the address was her place of work and that the defendant was outside her place of work, causing a disturbance. The complainant advised the panic alarm was used for this incident. The officer met with the defendant, who was emotional and possibly hyperventilating. The defendant refused EMS treatment, observing a family violence bond condition out of Fort Bend, the 400th District Court, which prohibited the defendant from attempting to contact the complainant or having any threatening, abusive, or harassing contact. The defendant attempted to bring her flowers and attempted to speak with her. He was going to go get a firearm and shoot himself on scene to make her suffer by making her watch.
I'm entering now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. De Leon as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand? You violate one of the conditions here, I can have a hearing to hold you at no bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every person in this county. You're forbidden from going within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works, and I'm putting a GPS monitor on your ankle so I know where you are at all times. Do you understand? You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, not to be in possession of weapons. I want you to understand that I will protect every person in the county. And if I have to make your bond $50,000, $2 million, I will do it in a heartbeat, Mr. Lopez. If you don't believe me, ask John. He's been doing a lot of work here, and he knows. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much. All I want you to do is stay away from this person. That's all I'm asking you to do, and don't pick up any new cases. And then we're gonna have you take a seat in the jury box. I'll get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then after that, you're free to go, sir.
So thank you.